Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Tobert's class, how are you doing? Hopefully you can hear me just fine. This is the second one we're going to convert. We're going to convert from 142 kilometers or kilometers to meters. Okay, we're going to convert using our TIE fighter. So the first step we do every single time when we're making this type of a problem is you write out your given. So my given is my 142 kilometers, 142, my beginning unit is kilometers. I'm going to be set up my TIE fighter or my fraction and my equal sign. I'm going to be changing all the way out to meters. So I'm going to build my TIE fighter now. My first unit I started out with was kilometers here. So I want to put kilometers on the bottom of the TIE fighter. So whatever I started with, I'm going to have there. My new unit, the unit I want to end with, goes on top, meter. Good. And this is set up, as you remember from my other tutorial, so that these things can cross-cancel. Okay? So, for instance, the kilometers would cancel with the kilometers, and it would leave you solely with the unit that you're looking for, meters. All right. So, that being said, let's go ahead and get back to it. So I have 142 kilometers. I've set up my TIE fighter. My original unit is on the bottom. My new unit I'm going to is on the top. I'm going to set up the equals and my new unit here. Now I look at my TIE fighter and I say, TIE fighter, what is bigger? Is it the top or the bottom that is bigger? So if you don't know this, check on one of your best friends, but I already know this because kilo means 1,000. So the bigger one here is the kilometer. There are more kilometers make up, in 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. Okay, so the bigger one gets the number 1. And how many of the smaller units make it up? So there are 1,000 meters for every 1 kilometers. Now I'm ready to do the math. I take my 142 times 1,000. 142 times 1,000. And if it was longhand form, it would be 1 times 1. So 142 times 1,000 gives you 142,000. So 142,000 meters are for every 1 kilometer of every one of these. So that's how you convert that one. So that's my answer here. So 142 kilometers is going to be equal to 142,000 meters. Thank you so much for your time today. I hope you have followed along.